Hello everybody and welcome to this video, and in this video I am doing recreating celebrity photos, which I'm very excited for. So it was pretty rough and you're gonna see the whole process of doing so let's get on with it. First off, we're recreating a Selena Gomez photo, which I have my hair down kind of wet because hers looks kind of wet in the photo, and I have a pink dress and we have bushes, so let's do it. Turns out we had a better spot in our backyard, so now I have to redo that whole thing again. So, yes. And now we're gonna take the next picture, which we are recreating. I just checked and we're actually recreating Kendall Jenner, so let's do it. The next one that we're gonna be recreating is gonna be the lower DIY one. So as you can probably tell, it's later on. First off, my hair is shorter, and second of all, I am in a different spot. But I feel like I need to do like a little overview of all the pics that I took that day. So the first one, that was the Selena Gomez one, was actually, the hard part about it was because our bushes were very small and like very short, I had to bend down, which is it was not very comfortable, and it was very hard because it took quite a while, and yeah, it was hard. Later on we found out we had actually like very tall bushes like hers, but it was too late, so we didn't take it anymore. But anyway, it was pretty easy, and I would rate it from 1 to 10 about a 7. Like, I mean, it was okay, it could have been better, but like a 7 is fine. The second one, which was, I forgot whose it is, but anyway, this is like kind of the expectation, and now this is how the reality looks. I actually feel like this one turned out the best out of all of them. I really like this picture, and I might even post it on my Instagram. I have 4 of them. You should follow all of them. The links will be down in the description below, so definitely go out and check them. go out and check them. Whatever. So yeah, and it was really easy to take, except the sand was very like there was a lot of rocks on the sand, so it was kind of painful. But other than that, it was very easy and very good. And then the last one, which is the lower DIY one, here is the expectation, and now here's the reality. So this one was probably the hardest of them all. First of all, the little like thing for the water, the watermelon, whatever, it's different. And I don't know, is it because it was different and it didn't have the hole in the middle or what, but it was very hard to take. My neck was in so much pain because you had to kind of be halfway up but at the same time kind of down, and it looked very awkward, and I feel like I look extremely awkward in that picture. Don't know what happened there, but like it was not good. So yeah, all in all, on the previous one I would give about a 9 out of 10 because I really like this pic, and on this one, which is the Lord DIY one, I would give myself a 6 because I tried. It's pretty close to reality, but no, it's just weird.
Jezus. Окей. Смотри. Фото Селены ты мне не отправила, поэтому мы его сейчас получаем. Behind the scenes, kind of, I forgot my tripod, so now we have chairs, we have a makeup bag, and we have a water bottle, and we're gonna do the magic.